factorization. We will see some 5 problems about this. Let's first read the first question. 4m cube n square plus 12m square n square plus 18m power 4 n cube. In this, we have to check the common multiple of these 3 constants. 2 is the common multiple of 3 constants. 2. Now we have to see the variables. Now we have to remember the important point that we have to take the least degree of 3 of these. The least degree is mn, because m square and n square least means mn into 1 into now 2 2's 4. Now m into dash gives m cube means m square, n into dash gives n square means n, plus 2 6 2 1. Now m into m is m square, m, n into n is n square, n, plus 2 into 9 is 18. Now m into dash gives m power 4 is m cube, n into dash gives n cube means n square. Now in this we want to find the common multiple. There is nothing common multiple of 3 is this, so you want to keep that like that only. Now second problem. I will read the question of second problem, that is a square minus ac plus xc minus xa plus 6a minus 6c. This type of problem want to divide into terms. Like now want to see the common term of first term. This is first term, second term, third term. The first term common is a into dash gives a square is a minus a into a is there, other is c, plus here x common, x into c minus a. Now 6 common, 6 into a minus c. Now you have to take a minus c plus 6, we want to take a minus c. Here c minus a, we want to convert a minus c means we want to change the minus, plus into minus sign. Minus x to c minus a minus c. Now here a minus a all common, a minus c want to take all common, here all c a minus c common, so a minus c common. Now another is a plus 6 minus x, a plus 6 minus x. If you want to check the answer means we want to multiply this and we will get this answer. Now third question, I will read the question of third, that is 16 x power 4 minus y power 4. This type of problems we will see in so many in factorization. Now we will see the third question, that is 16 is the perfect square of 4 square is 16, perfect square. So 4x whole square, because whole 4 into 4 square is 16, x square into 2 is x power 4. Now y square whole square, because y square into square is y power 4. This is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Now 4x square plus y square square minus y square. This is also you can write in 4x square. I am writing this only, y square into this can be write as 2x whole square minus y whole square. Now I have to change this into this form. Square plus y square into y square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Here a is 2x, b is y. 2x plus y into 2x minus y. If you want to check the answer of this is, we can 4x square plus 5 square into 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 5 will do, means this answer will come. Fourth question, that is x power 4 minus 81. Now we have to remember 81 is 9 square. Here x square whole square minus 9 whole square, because x square into whole square is x power 4, 9 square is 81. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. That is a plus b into a minus b. Now x square plus 9 into x square minus 9. This is also you can write in. Now I am writing this one, x square plus 9 into x square minus, can also write 9, x whole square plus 3 into x square minus 3. Okay, x naught. Because this is the form of a square minus b. Sorry, x plus 3 into x minus 3. Now I have to check the answer is x into x is x square, x plus in 3 minus 3 is 9. So how will you get x plus 3 into x minus 9 is x square minus 9. For check I am writing this. This is the answer of x power 4 minus 81 factorization. Fifth question, that is xy square minus yz square minus xy plus z square. Now we have to minus xy. I am minus xy. I am writing in this way because for convenient, plus z square minus yz square. Now here xy is common, y minus 1 plus z whole square minus 1 minus y, 1 minus 5. Now xy into y minus 1, because 1 minus 5 into convert into y minus 1, we want to convert means we want to change the plus into minus z square into y minus 1. Now y minus 1 is common. Y minus 1 is common. Now xy into minus z square. This is the factorial form of xy square minus yz square minus xy plus z square.